Dang, look at that.
Look at it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we got our new project here in the junkyard right now. 2004 Corvette. It's hit right here in the rear, as you guys can all see. And first things we got to do is bring it back home. So let's get to that.
Let's see if it starts up.
I don't think it's going.
Nothing?
The battery might be disconnected.
What the heck?
It goes the other way, remember? That's Corvette.
Oh,
That's
here,
cool.
open it.
Cool stuff.
Dang, look at that.
Look at the engine. Record that.
LS1
Look
right
how
here.
clean it is. Dude, this thing is a clean.
Yeah, the owner took care of it, huh?
It's only got 40,000 miles on it. And the battery's just dead.
Oh, shit. We got jump? Oh, yeah. Hold on, let's try that.
This bumper can clear that. I'm gonna rip
Out
this
here.
thing apart.
Maybe we could back it onto there.
Nah, I'll just use the forklift. Part him.
Alright, see, I don't even think we charged this thing up.
This thing somehow lasts forever. I don't even know how.
It's not gonna work right now, right when we need it.
What the heck happened to it?
What the heck? It's alright. Box is just coming
The
apart.
battery exploded.
Actually?
No way. Yeah, the battery exploded. Look at it. You can see right there.
Dang.
Oh, dang.
That's what happens when you leave it in the heat, huh?
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh, my goodness.
Well, there's
No,
our only
this
hope
thing was-
right there.
Dude, this thing was so good.
I know.
You know,
Well-
we have another option to start it though.
How?
You push it and I pop the clutch in first gear.
I don't know if that's gonna work. I can't push it that hard. It's not a little Ford Ranger.
It's a light car, I think. It's only a couple of 100 pounds.
Yeah, but not in this. Maybe we need it on the actual road, not this gravel.
Whatever. Dang, that's crazy.
Let's check the oil. How's the oil?
I checked it. Yeah, there's a decent amount of oil. It doesn't look old either, so.
That's good.
Oh well, I guess we'll start it.
All right. Well, I guess let's try to figure it out. Put it on. Maybe use the forklift over there. Oh. Nothing.
It's the same thing now. So now that we got the Corvette back at home, we need to start disassembling it and seeing what parts we need to order, what parts we need to go pick up from junkyards and whatnot, and try to figure out why it's not starting up, because we're getting the engine to crank over, but there's no spark, there's no fuel going to it. So we need to figure out whether it's a wiring issue or if it's the fuel pump that went out. So let's start disassembling from here and see what we need.
Make a parts list, huh?
Yep, yep.
Let's see. Damn. So what's this? This is the frame right here, is it? Or what is it?
I don't know.
I don't know. It looks like it doesn't.
This is the frame right here, and it runs to this thing, but
yeah,
it doesn't disconnect, which is weird. It might disconnect a little bit further.
It's like a frame crash bar thing.
Yeah,
it's so weird. But anyways, let's get to it.
that's gonna be it for this video. As you guys can see, we took off pretty much everything that was damaged. The only thing that's left is this crash bar itself, but it's a little bit of a tricky situation there. But in the next video, we want to try to get it started because it's just not starting up. It's cranking and cranking, but there's no fuel getting to the engine. So we need to figure out that situation while everything is disassembled here. And come over here. And from earlier, or at least from the accident, you can see how the exhaust pipe is looking on this side. We have to chop it off because it's getting caught up in the wheel. So
under the axle.
Yeah, under the axle. So what that means is we're gonna need a new exhaust. So we can look forward to that part.
All right.
Yeah. And if you guys have any suggestions on why we're not getting the car to start up, if you guys know anything that we don't, let us know in the comment section below. Otherwise, stay tuned for the next video, and thank you all for watching.